Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have prepared again two questions for you on day number 5. So we are on day number 5. So just before starting with these two questions, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So guys, I have prepared two questions for you on day number 5, and so far we have done so many questions with the help of oops. So now we have had gained some confidence. So again, I encourage you guys to solve this question before and comment it down in the comment section before I do it for you. So let's start this question. So first of all, the question says create a class called bank account with attributes account number, account holder name and balance. Implement method to deposit and withdraw money from the account. So first of all, we can create the first of all let's create bank account class. All right, step by step we will go. So first of all, they are saying to create a class as bank account named as bank account. Now let's move further here. It says that create attributes, which are three attributes here. First it's account number, second account holder name, and third it's balance. So if I just copy this and put it here, self dot account number is equals to all right. So first of all I have to give def init, in which it will be taking attributes def init. Now put it inside this account number, then account holder name, and last it's balance. So I'm just copy pasting the attribute names from the question which is already mentioned. All right, now after this I will be saying that self dot account number is equals to account number, then I have self dot account holder name is equals to dot account holder name is equals to again account holder name, and last self dot balance is equals to balance. Now the second step we have also done. Lastly, they are asking us to implement the methods to deposit and withdraw money from the account. So what we can do here is create two methods. First method should be def, let's say we are creating deposit method. Let's create deposit method in which we will be taking parameter as self and one more parameter that would be balance. So sorry, amount, because in deposit we are gonna put some amount in our balance. We are gonna put amount in our bank account. So what amount we are gonna put here, that second parameter would be coming here. So let's say I put amount. Now let's see what we are gonna do, what logic we are gonna apply. So we have to increase the balance, because whatever amount we are gonna put here, that should be put inside the balance. So I will be saying that self return self dot instead I will be not returning this value, I will be just increasing the balance amount. Self dot balance is equals to amount, which means that plus is equals to means self dot balance plus self dot is equals to self dot balance plus amount. This means let me put it here, that self dot balance plus. So the first thing this I have mentioned and the second thing this I have mentioned, both means the same. So whatever you wish to write, it remains the same. So to write less number of quotes, I just do it in this manner. The first one I have done because it saves times. So now I have mentioned I have done the implemented the first method. Now let's move on to second method. The second method says def withdraw. Now withdraw self second parameter would again be amount, because we have to define the, we have to give the amount of how much we wanna withdraw. And in first one we have to give the amount of value we are gonna put inside the uh, bank account. Now let's create a logic here in which we have to say def withdraw. So first of all we will be checking if self dot balance is greater than amount, means, which means that if we have if we do not have amount enough balance, enough sufficient balance, if the amount self dot balance is not greater than the amount, which means that amount is greater than the balance. If that's the case, then we cannot withdraw the money. However, if the balance self dot balance, if the balance is greater than amount, we can withdraw the money. So to withdraw money we can say that if self dot balance is greater than amount, self dot balance minus is equals to, again it's the same as I have mentioned in deposit, so I am just replacing it, the operator here. Previously it was plus addition, now it's subtraction, minus sign. Now self dot balance is equals to minus is equals to amount, else print or print insufficient balance. All right, now they are saying lastly create an instance of class, perform deposit and withdrawals, print the final balance. So let's say I have account as axis account, or axis equals to bank account. All right, now I put a value here, let's say axis. First of all I have to put the account number. Okay, account number is, let's say 12345678990. now account holder name, let's say any name is the name. Now third we have to put the balance. So let's say the balance is 3000. All right, so 3000 it's the balance. So if I print axis print axis, so you will see that what we are gonna get is here the object here. And if I say that axis dot balance, if I print the axis dot balance, you will see that I will be getting 3000 here. We got the value 3000 here. Let me zoom in here so you can get the clear view of the code I have written. So I have zoomed in. Now you can see that what I have done more clearly. Now if I say that axis dot deposit, now we have to take value inside this. So previously we were not taking any parameter inside the method which we have created in the class. Now we are taking the value parameter inside the method that we have created inside the class. So previously, like in this, we created methods like this method in on day number 4. On we have taken the method, we have defined the method, but we haven't taken the parameters inside the methods. Like we have created area as a method, circumference as a method, but we haven't discussed about how to deal with the parameters inside the method, inside the class. Now we have got a question in which we have taken a parameter inside the method which we have created inside the class. So how we are gonna deal with it here? So first of all, if I put access dot deposit and I do not give the any parameter, it will show me an error. See, it throws me an error. So what they are asking is missing one positional argument. What argument? Because we have to take a amount. What amount you want to deposit? So I want to deposit, let's say 1000, and then again I print the same value. You will see that it will give me 4000. Now it will show me 4000. See, it prints 4000 because it increases the value by 1000. Similarly, if I say access dot deposit, and instead of deposit, if I withdraw, let's say I withdraw 100 rupees. $100 from the or 100 rupees from the um, bank account, and if I print it again, you will see that the value I will be getting is 3900. See, we get 3900. So this is how it works here. So I hope that you understood the logic. So what if I print value which is greater than the balance? Let's say if I withdraw money which is greater than the balance amount. Let's say I withdraw 10,000, so it will print me value which will say that what it will say uh, insufficient balance. See, it will show insufficient balance. Why it's showing insufficient balance? Because the amount which we are gonna withdraw is greater than the amount in the bank account, so it shows it throws an error. So I hope that you understood this question, guys, and if you do so, please comment in the comment section that you have understood this question. And without wasting time, let's move on to question number 2. So let's see what question number 2 asks. So first, question number 2 asks us to create a class called product with attribute name, price and quantity. Implement a method to calculate and return the total cost of the product multiplied by quantity. Create an instance of the class with some values for price and quantity and print out the total cost of the product. See, guys, if you want to tackle any question, first of all, if you want to do any question, first see what they are asking. Go step by step. So first of all, they ask us to create a class called product. So let's do the first step, that is class is equals to product. Now second step is that they want us to create attributes name as name, price and quantity. So let's give the attribute name def init, in which we have to define 3 attributes. First is name, second is price, and third it's quantity. Now let's define these attribute as self.name is equals to name, self dot quantity quantity, or first of all let's say it's price, and self dot quantity is equals to quantity. Now we have defined the 3 attributes. Now let's see what they are asking us next. So next they are asking us to implement a method to calculate and return the total cost of the product. So we can create a method. So they have not given us the name to that, whatever what would the name of, what should be the name of the method. So it's all up open-ended. So you can create any name of the method. So we can create it like def total cost. So implement the method to calculate and return the total cost of the product. So return give the parameter self here. Now what we have to do here is total cost would be price multiplied by quantity. So we can say we can create another variable here. Total cost is equals to self dot price multiplied by self dot quantity. So this logic they've already told us in the question here. Let's see, already given. It's already given here. Either you can do this way, and I will return total cost, or you can directly return this value. You can do this way, or you can do this way as well. Return self dot price into self dot quantity. This is also right, and the one which we have done previously is also right. So I prefer it this way because it's more readable, it's more understandable, because we are defining a variable, and inside that variable we are taking self dot price into self dot quantity, which is equals to self total cost. So self dot price we will be taking inside the class parameters, that is price and quantity. So now next what they are asking is create an instance of the class with some values, sample values for price and quantity, and put out the total cost of the product. So let's do that. Let's say a is equals to A is equals to product. A is equals to product. Now what they are asking is the name. Let's say it's salt. Now what is the price is, let's say, 100, and the quantity is, let's say, 4. So if I print a dot total cost, we have to print this as well because we are returning this value. So if I print this print, in fact, print total cost, you will see that we will be getting 4 into 100 is equals to 400 here. See, we got a 400 here. So for total cost is equals to 400. To make it more readable, you can just put f string here, uh, f string, and then put inverted comma here, and then put curly braces here. Now you can say that total cost is equals to this. So if you run this code, you will see it's more readable. Now total cost is equals to 400. So I hope that you have understood this question, guys. Or if you can also do it like this way. I can show you that what you can do. You can copy this code here, paste it here, and I will show you what you can do. So I will say that total cost is equals to, instead of self dot a dot total cost, I can say that total cost. So I can remove this from here, and I can simply just return a dot total cost, and it will again show me the same value. See, so I am showing you different ways of how you can code differently, and it's all upon you how you are perceiving it and how you are managing the code. But make it more readable. Try to make it more readable, more understandable, and more precise. Do not just make it redundant and unnecessarily writing n number of lines of code. Just make sure that you write code which is readable by others as well. So guys, this was all for today. I hope that you liked the tutorial and you are liking the playlist of solving the OOPS question with the help of Python. And if you do so, please guys, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and comment in the comment section that you are liking this playlist, which will give me motivation, which will give me encouragement to help you guys more, and to be on this playlist even more, and uh, with more motivation. So guys, this was all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.